Welcome to another session, 59th session of first BSc Physics paper, Mechanics and Properties of Matter of Kuempu University course. Today we are dealing with the surface tension, the factors affecting the surface tension, and uses of surface tension. Some of the definitions previously used are pressure on the curved surface, pressure in spherical surface, pressure in cylindrical surface. Pressure in spherical surfaces is given by P equals 2T divided by R, whereas in cylindrical surface it is given by 4T divided by R. We have used in previous classes and this class also surface tension. We know that surface tension is the stretching force per unit length drawn on the line drawn on the surface of the liquid. The factors surface tension are temperature, etc. So now we have to see what is the effect of temperature on the surface tension and the effect of impurities, addition of impurities like dust, oil, detergent, etc. on the surface of the liquid. First, coming to the temperature, effect of temperature on the surface of water, as shown in this slide, the surface tension decreases with rise in temperature. Increase, the surface tension of the liquid decreases. Addition of impurities like dust, oil, detergent, etc. When the impurities like dust, oil and detergents are added to the liquid, then again the surface tension of the liquid decreases. Also, if impurity added is completely soluble impurity like salt in water, that is, if salt is added in water, then the surface tension of the liquid increases. Therefore, in brief, the temperature, rise in temperature decreases the surface tension. Addition of impurities also decreases the surface tension, but addition of impurity like soluble material like salt increases the surface tension. Now the question comes, what are the applications of the surface tension or the consequences of the surface tension? The formation of drops and bubbles are explained using the surface tension. That is, due to the surface tension only, the liquid drops and bubbles are spherical in shape. That is, the forces, surface tension forces, tries to keep the surface area minimum. That is why the liquid are in drop form. Second one, the capillary action in the wick of a lamp. The threads between the gap between the threads of a wick acts as capillary tube. Therefore, the kerosene which is present at the bottom of the lamp rises through the wicks due to capillary action and rises to the top where it burns. Therefore, the lamp burns due to the of the wick. When detergents are added to the liquid, the surface tension of the liquid decreases and the liquid wets the surface with which it is in contact. Therefore, the dirty cloth when dipped in such a low surface temperature liquid, then this liquid wets the surface and removes the dust from the surface. So this is how the surface tension can be used, or these are the consequences of the surface tension. Next, in the next session, we will, in the 60th session, we will discuss the pattern of the question paper for the first BSc course. Thank you.